Most gig drivers choose the wrong app because they only look at base pay. But here's the truth no one tells you. Real earnings depend on demand, tips, mileage, and how each platform assigns orders in your area, across systems like Walmart and Instacart. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming one app always pays better everywhere. In reality, location changes everything. In this video, you will learn how Walmart, Spark, and Instacart really compare in 2026, which one pays more on average, and which is better depending on your driving style. Let's break it down clearly. First, let's talk about Walmart Spark. Spark usually offers higher base pay per batch compared to many grocery apps. You often get consistent delivery routes from stores to homes. That means fewer pickups from multiple locations. But here's the problem. Spark orders can be less frequent in smaller markets, and sometimes drivers compete heavily for good offers. Now let's switch to Instacart. Instacart works differently. You can shop and deliver groceries, or just deliver orders depending on batch type. Pay is heavily influenced by tips, which can sometimes make orders very profitable. Now here's where it gets interesting. Instacart can sometimes outperform Spark during peak grocery hours, or in high-income neighborhoods where tipping is stronger. Let's compare real-world scenarios. A driver named Alex in a busy city might make more with Instacart because shoppers tip well and orders stack during peak hours. But another driver named Jake in a suburban area might earn more with Spark because Walmart delivery volume is steady and distances are shorter. So which one actually pays more? On average, Spark tends to offer more predictable earnings per trip. Instacart offers higher upside potential, but more inconsistency. That means Spark is often better for stability, while Instacart can win in peak demand situations. But here's another key factor most drivers ignore. Mileage and time efficiency. Spark deliveries are usually faster and more direct. Instacart can involve shopping time, which increases effort per dollar earned unless you pick only delivery-only batches. So the smarter strategy many drivers use in 2026 is not choosing one app, but combining both based on demand windows. Morning grocery rush? Instacart can perform well. Afternoon retail deliveries? Spark often dominates. So the key takeaway is simple. Spark is better for consistency. Instacart is better for peak earning potential. Your location decides the real winner. If you understand how to switch between them strategically, your earnings can increase significantly without working more hours. If this helped, like the video, comment which app you use, and subscribe for more real-world gig economy breakdowns. You will make smarter delivery decisions starting today.